Welcome back, Bug Squad. I'm back with a brand new tail-wagging tale just for you. Hashtag the Playbug Club. High on Sparkle Mountain lived Tala, a little dragon who couldn't breathe fire. While other dragons sent out fiery sneezes, Tala could only manage a tiny puff of water mist. The other dragons teased him mercilessly. "Puddle snout," they said. And Tala wished he was like them, fiery and fierce and fitting in. Then one day, smoke rose from the woods below, a wildfire. The dragons panicked. Their fire breath would make it worse. They flapped their wings helplessly as the flames grew. But Tala had an idea. He flew straight toward the flames and took a deep breath and let out the biggest water balloon of his life. Shoot! Sizzle! Steam rose and the other dragons gasped. Then they cheered as Tala doused the flames over and over again until the forest was saved. That day, Tala learned that his difference wasn't a flaw. It was the world's greatest gift. And you might just have one, too. Like this story, we publish a new adventure every week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the hashtag The Playbug Club.